So.
I like give milk.
Dad, can I like that one also? I know how.
Yeah, you crying.
I got it.
Ako kukuha ang gat. I got it.
I think he needs Dad.
Akala mo lang.
I think he needs Dad.
Oh, he's crying.
Yun daw ang milk packet.
Dad, but he's crying.
That's not his milk.
Yeah, that's mine.
Yeah, that's the milk there.
Nauuna pa siya. I got it.
Right there.
Nakikipaggunahan pa
We
siya.
get it.
Yung mga
Use
lutong
this
bibi niya.
one.
Oh,
We can.
that is breastfeeding.
Mommy,
That
what? How come it?
titas, this
Oh, it's
one.
algebra. He
Oh, the
live
one
in
he
there.
give to them.
You
Algebra.
do this.
Huh?
Every
Yeah.
ano bang
No, he
feeding?
don't have teeth yet.
May
Oh,
oras
no,
din.
it's
At
okay.
least
He
8
needs to drink so he can
sa
grow
12
this
hours.
milk so he can
Mas
drink
madalas
that, so he
kasi.
can grow.
Mas madali daw
He can
matunaw
drink
yung...
Is that his milk?
Yeah. Mommy, but he's crying.
No, but that's not his milk.
You're only here.
See if you open that. Oh.
Hindi pa ba sira yung gatas dyan?
Saan?
Yung
Oh, see, you don't know how to
pagsamahin nyo ma.
use that. That's
Yung mga
not
ano
his-
sa planggana, yung ganyan.
How about him?
He will
You will use that.
suck his
Mommy?
mom's breast
Right there.
because yeah.
My breast have milk. Oh, he got this si Dede. Over there. There. That's his Dede. The big one.
Ang daming chupo, no?
Oh, that's balu. Disposable yan ma. Yung chupo na disposable.
Oh, ito lang ilagay ko sa ano.
Sa planggana. Tanggalin nyo na yung supot. Para makitang
It's too hard, mommy. Is your cake is too hard?
diaper.
Mommy, is your cake is too hard?
What?
Is your cake is too hard?
My keke still hurt? Yes, of course.
Huh? It's still?
Oh, baka nagugutom
May
na.
dimple yata, oh.
Oo, sa kanan. Isa.
Namana sa'yo.
Wala.
Oh, baka nagugutom. Ha?
Wala.